Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Shinelong. Today I will introduce you a tilting braising pan. The function is for cooking dishes or rice, and it can be electric type or gas type. Capacity can be 3 types for choice. We have 60 liter, 80 liter, and 100 liter. The one you see now is our biggest capacity, 100 liter. It's with triple layer boiler, so the heating is fast. It can save the cooking time. Only 26 to 28 minutes can finish the cooking. The tilting angle can be over 90 degrees, so it's very convenient to dump over food and also very easy to clean it. This is the temperature control. It's very easy to operate. The temperature range can be 100 degrees to 320 degrees. There are 3 types of cooking program. It can be slow cook, medium cook, and quick cook. Okay, so if you are interested in this product or our other equipment, please contact us, contact Shinelong. We will help you.